What it is, what it do, Kimber Crew. It's your girl Alicia here, and today I am trying, I guess, exotic snacks. I actually got it from a convenience store, an independent convenience store at that, called Jefferson Bodega, and I actually found some pretty good stuff, like some stuff I've actually never seen before, or even that's like pretty hard to find. So I will be trying that out for you guys and letting you know. I mean, first and foremost, though, I want to say, like, the vibe in that store was just chef's kiss, yo. Like, when I tell you I was in there, I was about to probably drop it for some dollars. Like, the music was popping. It really was. So, I guess first, I don't even know what I want to try first. Like, about so much. Well, one, I actually found these Oreo cakes I haven't had since, like, probably middle school. It's been that long. And I didn't even know they still existed. So I'm not gonna try them, but I got them because like I was so excited. Like I haven't seen them in years. Like years. I guess I could start with the jerky. It's called Baja Jerky. It's street taco beef jerky. I don't know. I don't know. It's too bright. That's what it looks like. But sorry if everything's like way too bright in here. And plus, if you guys haven't peeked the green screen, I finally set it up after having it, I want to say, for 2 years. Shout out to my boy D'Angelo for gifting it to me. And I apologize. Like, it took me this long to set it up, but your girl finally did. It smells so good. It low-key smells like, I don't know why I've been hooked on this lately, but SpaghettiOs. Or lasagna. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. So I guess it has like a rating of like the level of sweet and heat. The level of sweet is 1. And then the level of heat is 4. It's good. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that one. I don't know. It's good. It's not what I expected. I don't know. I guess I give this like a. It's like a 5 out of 10. I don't know. Maybe I just gotta try another piece. I don't know. Like the flavor's all there, but the way it chews, I don't know. Here I have, what is it? American turkey Cheetos. Never seen this ever. So hopefully, I think this is pretty dope. I thought I popped it from the bottom too. Smells good. Yo, this smack. These are actually pretty good. And I've never seen these either. Like, even when I went on like other like websites for exotic snacks, like I've never came across this. Or even a jerky. Never. I give this one probably a 10 out of 10. I can see myself just like eating this normally, like regular Cheetos. I have another one. It is Japanese steak. So this one's gonna be good. It's really sweet. Give this one a shot. It's a little on the sweet side. That's so weird. Sorry, because like compared to this one, I would have think this one would have probably been more sweet. But this one actually had a little kick to it. Versus this one was like sweet for some reason. That's actually pretty shocking. I mean, they're still pretty good though. So I give these probably an 8 out of 10. If we're being real. Get all the chips out the way. Now, these are interesting. Never seen these ever. They're, was it lobster? Lobster and supreme soup flavored, and I guess corn? I don't know. Just lobster and corn. I hope it's not too bright. I feel like everything's so bright. But I don't know, when I first grabbed it, I honestly thought it was like crab legs. Because like if anybody knows me, knows like I'm obsessed with crab legs. So I thought that's what it was, but I feel like it'd be like equivalent. There's a tear down tab. Man. When I just tell you this smells fishy, yo. Okay. So I had to prepare myself. It's pretty shrimpy, but I don't know. I think the bag's pretty cute though. A little corn guy. I don't know. Instantly, like I got sweet, which usually seafood is pretty sweet, especially like lobsters and crab legs. But I got that like sweet, like almost like kettle corn taste, and then I got the like lobster after. I'm not quite sure about that one. I think I'll rate that one probably, if I'm being real, probably like a 5 out of 10. Cause no, I guess I don't really see myself eating it just like straight up, just chilling. Sorry. Please, it's the Cheez-It Puff. I got the double cheese flavored. They also had the sour cream, I want to say. But I'm not really like a huge like fan of sour cream, like chips or anything. Alright, so I popped it from the bottom, but we're good. I knew eventually it was gonna happen with one of the bags. They're so cute. So it'll literally look like regular Cheez-Its, just like really thick. These are pretty good. And these are equivalent to like Cheeto Puffs. Those are good. Also, I want to mention, I guess, COVID update. I have been obviously fun for like what? It's been 2 weeks. I want to say like the after effects of everything for me, like that still linger, which I hate, is like sinus, like congestion. I can't stand it. Like I feel like now I'm getting better, but like over the past 2 weeks it was just crazy. But that's an update on that. I am doing fine, feeling good. So alright, so next I have some beverages. Should have brought a cup. I have this Fanta. I actually don't know what flavor it is. I think it's a mystery flavor. Obviously by the hashtag what the Fanta. So we're gonna. Sorry, I had to. Sorry, had to wipe off the rim there. Oh, yo, it smells like what is it? Not Baja Blast. I guess more like a pineapple soda. But that's not what it is. It's blue in color. It looks like Baja Blast. That's weird. I think I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I'm kind of getting like orange soda. Then I'm getting like pineapple soda vibes. Maybe a little bit of peach. I don't know, it's pretty good though. 10 out of 10. So I got 2 more, or actually 5 more edible things and then 3 more drinks. So I'm going to start with Skittles. Now these two, I don't know what flavor it is. I don't know. It's a little pink tube. Because some of it just doesn't say. But yeah, I've never seen these either. Like Skittles in like a little tube like this. I don't think I've ever. I think I got all 5. Yeah. Yeah. I'm kind of getting those like smoothie Skittles. Shouldn't have had 8 all 5 like that. But yeah, eating all 5 together is hectic.
One hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
That was so hectic. Okay. But yeah, I give that definitely a 10 out of 10. I like Skittles a lot though. But it's giving me like the smoothie version of that. So, I don't know, definitely recommend. So I have another one. Again, like I said, it doesn't tell me flavors. This one's in more like a yellow tube. But Or like a cream vanilla. Actually, make it all 5. Alright. Can I get all 5? Alright, all 5 again. I like this one a lot. It's almost giving me like the original Skittles, but more intensified. And it's so smooth. Like, I don't even know. This one was so intense, I don't know. Maybe I could be tripping, but I really like that one a lot. And then the last one of the Skittles. See, this one actually has pictures of like different fruits, so at least you know, I guess, what it tastes like. But there's this one. It's in the orange tube. So actually, I'm just gonna eat like 2 or 3. What is that? It has peach, orange, passion fruit. I can't figure out the last one. I don't think it's dragon fruit. This one I'll probably give like a probably like a 6 out of 10. I'll be generous, probably 7. Because they're good. But like certain, I don't know what fruit that is that I'm tasting. I guess like all 3 of those mixed together just wasn't a good idea. So that's my fault. But yeah. So yeah, I give it a 7 out of 10. Oh, it's a lot of candy, dude. Alright, so I'm gonna switch to a beverage. Yeah. Clean the lid off. It's a Pink Punk Gunna Raspberry Lemonade. So, that's what that looks like. See, I like lemonade. Like, if it's like good and like it's kind of tart, but like really sweet too, but not too sweet. Why does this look fizzy? Let me find out. This is actually a. Oh, it's a sparkling water. Listen. So good and tasty. I don't even like sparkling water. I didn't even realize that's what this was. But that's actually good. Because like, you know how some sparkling waters leave like that nasty aftertaste, or just like bitter, or like tastes like carbonated water? No. I mean, that's what it is. But like, you know how you get a soda out of a soda machine and it's out? So like that, like this is actually good. I think this is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So I got another one. It's called Turtle Juice. Same brand. Tropical lemonade. Oh, so it looks like a little turtle dude. My favorite edible, or one of. Alright, sorry I had to delete some stuff. My cart was full. But anyway, it said turtle juice, tropical lemonade. Yeah, that one. That one is like it tried to give that effect of like, you know, sparkling water, typical sparkling water. But it's good, but I like the other one a lot better. So I'll probably give this one like a, still like a 7, 7, 8. It's still good, I just like the other one. The flavor's more there. So I got this Fruit Loops milk. I've tried the Snickers one before, Cinnamon Toast Crunch one before, but I don't think I've ever seen this one, like, at all. So, but I'm actually gonna try it, because, like, mixing all that and then, like, this, it just would not be a good idea. So, but I'm sure it's good. So, alright, so with this one, it is Sour Punch Bites. And as you can see, it's spicy. It's mango, pineapple, cantaloupe, watermelon. I feel like these would be good too. Like, I'm sorry guys. You're probably like, why are you biting it? But your girl didn't come prepared. I didn't get scissors. So, it's good. But yeah, spicy. I feel like, oh, I must be like, kind of like when candy's like in chamoy or something. I'm getting that. I don't know what flavor it is, but that's actually really good. I should have probably just ate probably mango. Either mango or cantaloupe, I don't know. But that's really good. Yep. This one's watermelon. Definitely 10 out of 10. Yeah. Last thing too, which again, I'm not going to try it right now. I know it defeats the purpose of the video. But it's the frosted maple flavored Pop-Tart. Sorry. I remember seeing this on the Jefferson Bodega Facebook page. And like, I didn't even think they still had it. So when I came across it, I was like pretty stoked about it. But I mean, I'll actually let y'all know what these two taste like in another video. Because I did buy more stuff. I just, it's not something that I want to try in this video, obviously. But I did pick up some other stuff that's pretty interesting. I thought was cool. And like, that the guy actually recommended. So, but again, like I said, it's pretty dope place. I highly recommend. I'm actually going to leave my review, if not tonight, which today is what, the 5th. I will be leaving my review Monday, which is the 7th. And also my mom's birthday. So if you guys want to tell my mom happy birthday in the comments, that will be A1. That'll be some real ones in the Kimber crew there. But, yeah, definitely leave my review then. Let them know. But like I said, I really enjoyed everything for the most part. Like I said, sweet people. Highly recommend if you're in the San Antonio area to check them out. Really sweet people. some cool stuff. Store has a cool vibe, and you won't be disappointed. So actually too, I would actually leave all their information at the bottom, like in the description. Leave probably their Facebook page, and I don't know if they had an Instagram. I know they got an Instagram and Facebook. And to, I guess, address, like, I'm sure that's fine. Like, it's a public store, so I'll leave all that info. Like I said, if you're based in the San Antonio area, so you guys can check it out, pick up some stuff for yourself, for your friends, family, kids, all that good stuff. But until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!